Protecting data with minimization. At EduSafe College, managing student data securely was a top priority. Every year, thousands of student records were processed, containing sensitive information like student IDs, academic performance, and financial data. The cybersecurity team knew that the more data they stored, the greater the risk of a breach. To mitigate this risk, they implemented data minimization techniques. 1. Data destruction. When students graduated, their data was no longer needed for day-to-day operations. The cybersecurity team reviewed the records and applied data destruction to securely delete all unnecessary information. By following strict deletion protocols, they ensured no trace of sensitive data remained. However, some data had to be retained for compliance and reporting. In those cases, the team used alternative techniques to protect it. 2. Deidentification. For research purposes, student performance data was analyzed. Instead of using identifiable information, the team applied de-identification. This method removed all personally identifiable information, PII, ensuring the data couldn't be linked back to any student. Researchers accessed trends and insights without risking privacy violations. 3. Data obfuscation. During an internal audit, financial data had to be reviewed. To protect sensitive information, the team used data obfuscation. By applying techniques like hashing, they converted data into unreadable values. Even if hackers accessed the data, it remained useless without the original information. Fear. Tokenization. For financial aid processing, student bank account information needed protection. Instead of storing actual account numbers, the cybersecurity team applied tokenization. Each bank account number was replaced with a random token. A secure lookup table linked the token to the real data, accessible only by authorized staff. Even if hackers intercepted the tokens, they couldn't decipher the actual account information without access to the lookup table. 5. Data masking. During system testing, developers needed access to realistic data without exposing sensitive information. The team used data masking to create dummy records. Student ID numbers were partially masked, displaying only the last 4 digits. Credit card numbers appeared as TAPLX, 1234. This allowed developers to work efficiently while ensuring no sensitive data was exposed during the testing process. One day, hackers targeted EduSafe College's database. But instead of valuable data, they found masked data, hashed values, and tokenized records. Unable to extract any useful information, the attack failed. Thanks to the cybersecurity team's data minimization strategy, the college effectively protected sensitive information, reducing the risk of data loss